Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. All praises go to the Most High Yah. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with some happy mail. Okay, y'all, so I'm just going to give y'all just a little backstory of this happy mail. This happy mail comes from a YouTube subscriber who has her own channel. The name of her channel is Mindful Crafts and More. No one other than Dr. Katrina. Yes. I was not, like, this year for me, y'all, 2023 is one of the best years ever. I'm going to say that. One of the best years ever. I didn't know that this was coming until a couple days ago. And so I have been on this, I'm stretching myself, and I've been on this kick with keeping my mind in a positive mindset and not letting anyone or anything become a distraction. Distracted, you lose your focus, you don't do well. And this is not that year for me, y'all. This is my harvest season. I've been saying this for the longest time, that this year is my harvest season. I'm not leaving no stone unturned. But anyway, okay, because y'all know I be talking. I have an unboxing of some happy mail from Dr. Katrina. I don't know what's in this box, but I'm going to show y'all. It came yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. She sent me an email. Yours. I'm not even going to go into all of that. All I'm going to say is I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and I'm blessed. And I just want to say, Dr. Katrina, you didn't have to do it, but it was on your heart to do it. And I want to say thank you so very much, because I don't know if it was a video that you saw. I don't even know, like I said, what's in the box. But let's go ahead and open it. So thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. I greatly appreciate your support on my channel. And I'm honored right now, y'all. I just feel honored. I'm grateful, and I'm just thankful. And I always tell y'all that the Father has his angels everywhere. He has his angels everywhere, and you have to believe that. People who want to see you do well, who want to see you become successful, those are the people that he is going to send to help you with the plan and the purpose that he has for your life. And you have to believe that. You have to believe that, okay? So this is my box. This box came from Amazon, y'all. This came from Amazon. And you can always tell an Amazon package by the big old smile that it has. You see that right there? That's a big, pretty smile. Yep, that's it right there. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up so we all can see what I got, okay? So thank you so much, Dr. Katrina. I cannot say that enough. For those of you who don't know her, I'm going to leave all of her information down in the description box, her channel. Everything is going to be down in the description box. Y'all need to go over. She is, when I say Dr. Katrina is awesome, she is I can't even describe, like I can't even describe her because she's a crafter, but she's a doctor. She she has she understands. I'm gonna say that. She understands. And she has taught herself so many things, y'all. So many things. So this is my package. Look at this. Y'all see me taking this out, right? Taking this out. And wow, look how this came. It came like this. Now, I don't know what's in here. I haven't opened it. Let me see if I can find. Okay, so it says, keep your gift a surprise. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. So, okay, I got to open my present first before, and actually, let me just set this in the floor so I can take it out. Oh, wow, look at this. This is awesome. It's kind of heavy. Wow, look at this. Look how this came. Wow. Oh, and there's a card here. And the card, okay, so the card says, greetings, Joyce. This is a little something to inspire and uplift. Continue to let your light shine bright. We see and appreciate you. Blessings multiplied to you and yours, Dr. Katrina, Mindful Crafts, and more. Enjoy, from Katrina D.S. Carter. Thank you so much, Dr. Katrina. Wow, this is so awesome, y'all. This is awesome. Awesome. Okay, so let me just unwrap this. Wow. I've been on YouTube for many years. And I can only think of maybe one or two other times where somebody has sent me something, a blessing. So let me open this up. I have had, oh gosh, this is really tight. Is it tight? And this is a bag you don't, so let me just set this right here in my lap and try to figure out, oh, there it is. Oh, it's inside of another box. So you take it out of one box, and it's inside of another box, y'all. Let me see this. Wait a minute, hold up. Okay, so. Okay, so this is, it's inside of another box. So let me set this. I'm trying to keep up with my envelope. So now I got to go inside of this box. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. This is the exciting part. Oh, wow. It's a Cricket Joy. It's a Cricket Joy, y'all. Awesome. Okay, wait a minute. Hold. Ooh, I got some goodies in here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is, so let me take all this out before I start reading everything. And let me just take all this out because I really have to learn how to do this. This is called the Cricket Joy. Okay. Wow, I got quite a few goodies here, y'all. Is this is insert cards. Oh, wow. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Oh, Katrina, thank you so much. Okay, so let me take, because I got another box. This is another box here. So this is the third box, okay? So we have 1, 2, and this is the third box right here. So let me see. Let me see this box. Wow, this is so awesome. Wow. Wait a minute. Let me see. Okay. All right. Got that part. Wait a minute. I want to cut it. I want to make sure that I'm not cutting something that's important, y'all. Wow, this is such a blessing. I have been wanting a Cricut for a long time. And the Father he just knows who to put. He just knows who to send to help you with things, because my finances are not there right now. And that's just my truth. And so I knew that eventually I would be getting one, but wow. And it just shows you on here the different things that you can do. Wow, this is so awesome. So that's the third box, and this is the fourth box. Wow. So look at this. I'm wondering if I have to have, it says use your smartphone or computer to create. Oh, I can use my phone. I don't even have to, I can use my phone, y'all. Look at this. This is what it looks like. It's called the Cricut Joy. Oh, thank you, Dr. Katrina. It's a compact, smart cutting machine. Your DIY best friend. Oh, wow. Now, let me show y'all what came with it. This is what it looks like. Now, I'm going to bring this down towards my table. This is what it looks like. It's called the Cricut Joy. And these are transfer tape. I got some transfer tape. I got some smart vinyl, removable. Oh, I've been wanting one of these for so long, y'all. Wow. All right, my creative juices. And then I have some starter tool set. This is a starter tool set. So that's that. Wow. And then, this just says thank you. And this is some insert cards. I guess for me to do some different things. With. And you get 12 in here. And then this is a card mat. So this is a card mat. But I want to open up the Cricut itself so I can show y'all. This is the Cricut Joy, y'all. Okay, so I want to open this up just to see what it looks like. Whoops. Let's see. Okay. Now we can get into it. Boom. Wow, look at that. Look at my little baby. This is so awesome. Wow. Look at her, y'all. Y'all probably say, Joyce, how you know it's a her? It's whatever I call it. It's whatever I want it to be. But but it's called Cricket Joy. And it's got the first three letters of my name, Joyce, joy in it, y'all. Yeah, it's gonna be some joy coming from this. Okay, and this says open me. Okay, says open me. Oh wow, let's get started. So this pretty much, this is like all my information, and then I got my cords and all that stuff down in there. Oh gosh, y'all. Oh, thank you, Dr. Katrina. So I guess this is my step to walk me through and everything. Yeah, I guess this just goes over a lot of stuff, instructions and stuff like that. Wow, this is so awesome. Yeah, y'all, this is awesome. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna slide this back in here because this is so awesome. Look at this, y'all. My cricket. And I don't really talk about this too much on YouTube, but I believe she must have watched one of my lives, because I think in one of my lives we were talking and discussing it about the cricket. And thank you so much. This is just such a blessing, y'all. So I have to really get to learn about this and make and create some things, get my creative juices going, because this changes everything for me, y'all. Wow. This is awesome. So with that being said, y'all, I'm going to make sure that I leave all of Dr. Katrina's information down in this description box for you all to go over and check out her channel. She does a variety of many different things on her channel, y'all. So Dr. Katrina, once again, thank you so very much. I cannot say that enough. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your follow. Thank you so very much. I am so appreciative. And trust me, I will use this, and I will be bringing some DIYs to you all to let y'all see what I make and create with this. I got to get familiar with it because I've never had one of these before. So I know it can do a lot of different things, and I'm ready. I'm ready. Y'all already know I'm ready. So with that being said, once again, thank you, Dr. Katrina. I greatly appreciate this. If y'all don't know her, please go over. Please subscribe to her channel. Please show her some love and as much support as possible. And with that being said, please make sure you thumbs up this video, share this video out for other people to see. So y'all have a wonderful day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.